This pizza was made upside down. Well, not really, but we started with the main toppings, working from the bottom, working our way up to the top. Just stick around and watch this video. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. As you can tell by the video, I'm going to be making an upside down pizza. Well, I'm not going to be upside down, but I'm going to be making a reverse style type of pizza. I know I've done it before. I'll go ahead and link that up above. But I'm going to be doing everything reverse right into the oven. I'm going to be putting down some red onion, Italian sausage first, then I'll go ahead and drizzle with some olive oil and some parm. And then last but not least will be the cheese. If it was the other way around, then of course it would be cheese, olive oil, Italian sausage, and onion. But I'm going to be doing a reverse style pizza. So again, let me know what you guys think. Check it out. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using a 24-hour dough here that I've done. I'll go ahead and link that, or if you guys want to see me do that type of video for that dough, let me know. I'll also do that as well. But it's pretty simple dough recipe. Instead of the normal 24 hours or 48 hours, then of course it's 48 hours. So we're gonna go ahead and just get this stretched out nicely here. Dough's been sitting at room temp for close to 6 to 8 hours, so feels pretty good. It's light. I'll be using the Gozney dome as well. I'm using wood, so give off that little wood flavor. But just getting this stretched out, it's nice and even. If you made it this far, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you guys are tuning in on Sundays when I do some live videos. I try to get those every week. So let's get this stretched out. All right, and we're just going down like that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do some Parmesan first. Okay, like I said, I have some sliced red onion. So we'll just kind of fill this up nicely. All right. And then we're going down with some raw Italian sausage. So again, as long as you're doing small pieces, it's going to cook in a high heat oven. So there's no need to worry about that. And going pretty small here. And comment below, do you do raw Italian sausage or not? Do you cook it pre-hand? Again, either way is fine. And I'm just gonna wash my hands real quick. All right, now we'll go down with our olive oil. And then last but not least, we're gonna go with a handful of our mozzarella cheese. And just putting this all over. So I've done some reverse style pizzas or upside down pizzas a little bit differently. Normally with some red sauce, but been going off with a lot of olive oil recently, so tastes good, looks good. Let's get this right into the oven. All right, and we're going right into the Gozney dome using wood, so we'll go in right there, slide that off. And we got a little flame, so it'll be a low and slow cook. I could even just toss a piece of wood here, which maybe that's what I'll go ahead and do. And we'll let that catch. And that should be catching any minute now. But you can see the crust is rising nicely. Oven should be pretty hot enough to cook the bottom nicely, so I'm not too worried about that. Cheese is starting to melt. I'll go in with the spin. And so it's cooking nicely. Just kind of go all the way back around, right into the same spot. And there we go, that one piece is cooking. So now we'll start cooking it pretty quickly. Take a look at that bottom. Nice and brown. Right. And again, comment down below. Let me know what type of video you guys want me to see. Sometimes I do kind of, you know, run out of ideas that may interest everyone. But if you guys have any ideas, something that you guys are, you know, wanting to see done, maybe some different how-to videos, you know, I'd be willing to make something like that. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John. Again, I'm posting shorts or reels there, posting shorts as well. So make sure you guys are checking those out. And I'll try to stay pretty consistent with videos. But we're almost there. Like I said, the bottom is cooking nicely. So we're almost close to finishing this one off. And again, we're just making sure, again, it's cooking all the way around the crust, as well as the sausage is also cooking. All right, just finishing off this little edge right there. And I think just like that, we're looking pretty good, nice and brown all the way around. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this inside and let it cool down. All right, so here's the pizza again. This was an upside down pizza. Again, we went down first with the onions. We went down with the Italian sausage, the Parmesan, the olive oil, and the mozzarella. So again, a little bit differently than what a normal pizza would be, but looking nice and brown. If we take a look at that bottom, the bottom is looking really, really nice. And let's go ahead and let's get a cut into this pizza now. You can hear nice and crispy. Looking good, it's smelling good. And let's just get this piece. Actually, we'll get this piece right here. Again, 24-hour dough recipe. Looking good. Again, that bottom nice. And so let's just get a bite. Simple but delicious pizza. So again, if this is something you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my other videos on my channel. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John, and we'll talk there.